Y'all ready to dance? Hi, I'm Delandis. Welcome back to my channel and Dance Tutorial Tuesday, where each week I bring you a fierce dance routine. So if you're ready to dance, stick around. Today, we are walking on a tightrope. But before we get to the goodies, if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to this channel and press that bell notification so that you may get any notifications for any videos or tutorials I may upload. Now grab those heels and meet me on the dance floor. Hi guys, welcome back. It's a fun one today. But hold on, I have a disclaimer. Well, not really, I don't want to scare you. It's a little brisk, it's fast, so I want you to take your time to work up to that tempo, okay? So these steps are more on the, I would say, doing a little jazz heels, a little more jazzy jazz dance. So we're just gonna have a good time, take your time, and smile, okay? Character, boom, 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 that's what I wanna see. We're starting with that left hand, my right hand, your left. It goes over the chest here, the other arm goes on the bottom. So we go step and dip. Boom. You see how we change that leg? Step and back. That's what the legs are doing. So we go boom and back, boom. Again, guys, I will keep saying this. It is fast. It's brisk. Don't get discouraged. We're not going to do any of that. We're just going to slow it down and go back, rewind, and watch it again. Okay, again, let's try it. 5, 6, 7, we go, and boom, and back, ha. And I kind of undulate that body, boom, like you're doing the swim, ha, ha, like the swim, boom, 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 ha-ta. Okay, all right, let's focus. 5, 6, 7, we go, and a step, and back, boom. All right, again, try it again. We have that left hand over the right. I want to say right hand because it's mine. I'm mirroring you guys. You guys are making my job much more tougher than it has to be. I'm kidding. Take it from the top, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, we and back and head, 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 jump together. We step out with the right leg, left leg, left, pas de bourrée. If you don't know what a pas de bourrée step is, I want you to go and take a beginning jazz class. No, I'm just kidding. Here we go. So from here, the pas de bourrée is left. It's a 3-count step. Left, cross back that right, left step. Now, if this something is, let me say that again. Now, if this is something you need to know or need to learn, slow it down. 5, 6, 7, we say, sing it with me, we go step, pas de bourrée. All right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go step, right, open left, open right. Now, this is just a quick push off because we push off back. All right, it's like a pivot. Shoo, boom, because we take that left leg in the front and we melt down the body. I went ahead of you. Yes, I did. I wanted you to feel and understand that it keeps moving. It does not stop. 5, 6, 7. By the way, ain't I pretty today? I did all this for you. Y'all know I do this for you, right? Okay, I just want you to know that from the very top. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, we go, and a pull and step, head, 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 together, step, pas de bourrée, press it back and front, melt down that body. And don't forget to put the T's in there. Now, I know it's a lot of stuff going on. I know it's fast. You don't have to tell me that, but you can't remember those, you can't forget those teases, yeah? Ooh. All right, let's take it from the top, nice and slow again. 5, 6, 7, and press, and pointer finger, head, 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 reach, right or left, pas de bourrée. Don't trust me on those legs. We push it back and front. Oh, find your balance and down. Good, guys. All right, guys, you with me? From here, we step with that left leg. We walk around. Walk, 2, 3, 4. Now, you saw what I did? Yes, yes, yes. I switched those hips. If you don't know what the switch is, ask one of those country mamas, honey. She'll teach you a switch. All right, here we go. All right, here we go from here. We do that tease. We switch. We walk left, right, and go. From here, we open out. Hit, hit. Give me 2 hits. All right, hit, hits over that hip. Between these moments, you still got to remember the tease. All right, again, try it here. 5, 6, 7, and switch those hips. And hit, hit. Kick that left leg. Kick and a kick and a kick. Ball change. All right, that ball change comes here. Kick, step back. We can say ball change or we can say step back. Your choice, whatever you want. All right, so from here, we go hit, hit. Guess what leg is available? That left leg. Kick, 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 ball change. We step left. We passe that right leg up the body. Ooh. See, it's hard to teach and try to balance on the heel, so I'm just gonna go for it. Whew, whew. Peel down that body. Yes. Another one of those peels. It should feel like this one. But this time, before you get there, you just passe that leg and you melt down the body. Yes. All right, try it from here. Let's try from the other melt. Left leg, 5, 6, 7, and walk, 2, and go. And a sit, sit, kick, 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 ball change, walk left, passe up, melt. Yes. How many kicks? 3 kicks before your ball change. From here, we go kick, 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 ball change, walk left, passe up, melt. And when you passe, I'm gonna hold on to here for some balance. Point that foot as much as possible. Get it right here, lift the body up, and melt down. All right, let's take all that from the top, put it together slowly. 5, 6, Dance Tutorial Tuesday, guys. I'm excited. Dance Tutorial Tuesday. All right, 5, 6, 7, we go. And here, and up, and head, head, head. Step, pas de bourrée, pivot back, and melt. 2, finish the phrase walk. Left, switch those hips, and open. Hit, hit, kick, 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 ball change, walk left, passe up, melt down. And that downstage leg, which is the leg closer to the audience, is the leg that's front. Alrighty, moving on. All right, before we move on, I want to say this. The steps aren't hard. It's not the steps, it's the tempo that's going to grab you, okay? So, I want to remind you that. We go melt down that body. We step with the front leg, which is that right leg. Right, step, 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 open out, and in, open out. Now, I don't normally count, but I'm going to do y'all a favor today because I'm nice. All right, let's try that again. I'll count just on that one. 5, 6, 7, right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, step. That's your prep. You push off, open out, and in, open out. So the arms go da, da, and down, and down. The push off comes from that left leg. Left, right, in, left, right, in. But we push off that right leg. Right, left, right, in, ba, da, ba, ba. Can y'all see my feet? Yes, again. That right leg is here. You push off and left, up and down, and down. The upper body can be doing anything it wants to do. Here, you can shimmy, all that cool stuff. It's yours. Have fun with it. Remember, this is fun. It's a celebration. You should make it look like a celebration. Celebrate. I like singing songs like I shouldn't be singing because of copyright reasons, but here we go. 5, 6, 7, right leg. Walk, 2, 3, and step. Open in and a da, open in. One of my favorite steps in jazz coming up, the skater step. We put the weight on the left leg and we sweep that right leg. We sweep, sweep, boom, ha, and we come here and just groove here for a minute. Yes, we only do 2 of those sweeps. That's all you get. You only get 2 sweeps. You get 2 skaters. Take it again from the out, out, in. 5, 6, 7, we go out, out, in, out, in, skater, skater, skater. Bring that left leg back, right leg is forward, and you play. You finish that phrase here. That's yours. And guys, when I tell you that we're almost done, you're not gonna believe me. Yes, we are almost done. So let's take the whole thing from the top, nice and slow, and let's see what happens. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we take it and undulate that body, step, and reach. Head, 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 together. Pas bourrée, pivot, back, front, and you melt. Walk it with that left leg, switch it, 2 more steps, and hit left, left, kick, kick, change, walk left, open, melt down. Ready for that right leg, right, step, step, be ready to push off, push, out, out, boom, boom, and out. Back, back, and whoo, finish that phrase, finish that phrase. Just a little brighter. Yes, yes, Delandis, just a little brighter. 5, from the top, 5, 6, 7, and push, and ha, boom, head, 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 together, step. Pas bourrée, and a back, and move, walk, walk, 2, and step, hit, hit, kick, 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 ball change. I'm starting my smile and my character already, and walk, 2, and go, step, skate, skate, and melt, finish that phrase, and ha. Let's put that last part on it, baby. We're almost done. Let's put the ribbon on that, baby. Here we go. Which leg's in the front? That right leg. So we cross it. Here we go. Step. Leg goes out. We sit into that hip. Make it beautiful. Cross, other side. Leg. All right. Now you ain't gonna have time to do all that. It's fast. 5, 6, 7. We go and across. Leg, cross, leg, sitting into that hip. Remember there's that line there. You want to sit into it, otherwise it looks like this. I want you to sit to that hip, break that hip. No, I'm just kidding. Don't you do all that. We ain't got no insurance here, okay? No, I got insurance. We ain't got insurance for you. All right, so take your time. Again, finish that phrase and we go step, leg, step, leg. From here, we just go boom, 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 boom. Yes, show that booty. Tease, 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 tease. And we start with that left leg, left, around, and you finish here. Easy breezy, y'all. Easy breezy. That's all it is. That's the routine. It's just fast as hell. All right, here we go. Try it from here again. 5, 6, 7, and step, leg, step, leg, hit, 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 and turn, and you resolve it here. And that's it. Da-da-da-da. All right, take a breather. Grab a quick drink if you need it. Whatever you need to do, because you're going to be moving in this performance, all right? All right, we're going to take it from the very, very top at tempo. Well, not at tempo. We're going to take it a little under still, because you're going to practice on your own until you can work it up to that fast tempo. All right, here we go from the top. 5, 6, 7, and step, and back, high, head, 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 step, boom, back, and step, melt, walk it, hit, kick, 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 ball change, step, and resolve, down, and walk, walk, 2, 3, and push and da 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 da. Back it up and groove, groove. Here we finish up. Step, leg, here, 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 around, and resolve. Yes, 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 people. Yes, that was all me. It was all me. All right, guys, that was it. I want you to think about it. Grab some water, grab some lips, grab some wigs, some costumes, and meet me back at the performance. See you soon.
Fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time. And I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. It's a fun night. You got me on tonight. 'Cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around. No, I won't be turning around. It's the right time. You feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I will win tonight.
You guys are awesome, and it's always a pleasure dancing with you. I can't wait until next Dance Tutorial Tuesday. Take this choreography, practice it, take your time, take it out into the world, it's yours. Remember, tag me at Delandis on Instagram. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to this channel and press that bell notification so that you may get any notifications for any videos or tutorials I may upload. I will see you next Tuesday. Love you guys. Bye-bye.